Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga Center. Today I am sharing a healthy and full nutrition recipe. This can add to the breakfast and midday also. And one more important, there will be no cooking needed. Let's get started with the recipe. To the bowl, add 100 gram of curd. To that, add 20 grams of oats. After adding the oats, mix it very well. After mixing well, add 5 gram of chia seeds. After adding, mix it very well. The chia seeds is very healthy and delicious at the same time. If you want to lose weight, chia seed is the best option what I am giving for you. And refrigerate about overnight. After refrigerated about one night, mix it very well little bit. To this add some veggies, chopped onions, chopped tomato and lastly cucumber. After all adding these veggies, mix it very well. Now this add little bit of green chilies, soaked badam and soaked peanut and add corn. If you want you can add it or else you can just skip it the corn as well. After adding this, mix it very well. So I am vegetable lover, so I am adding more vegetables. If you are vegetable lover also, you can add little more cucumber, onions and tomatoes. To this add fresh coriander leaves and add pinch of salt for the taste. After adding this, give it a good mix. Now it's ready, healthy and nutrition breakfast. Try this recipe in your breakfast and say goodbye to the extra fat in the body. By consuming this daily, it will intake your healthy fats, improve the weight loss journey and benefits of such as nutrition, vegetable as well. See you on next video. Thanks for watching this and namaste.